Hey everyone, it's Nick Criswell, Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Super excited to show you a quick video of the Sunstar 31B model. The B stands for bunks, so if you need tons of sleeping room like I did, I had 6 kids, you're gonna need something of this size. Let's check it out real quick. A 24 Winnebago Sunstar 31B, the B stands for bunks. We're gonna check that out here in a moment. Comes in a little over 31 feet in length, bumper to bumper. But didn't they do a beautiful job on the Sunstar? Full body paint. Cooling upgrade, solar upgrade, tons of features inside, and look at the quality and the thickness of these doors. Super well insulated. Come check it out at Johnson RV. One thing I love that they did in the rear kitchen on this model is the LED strip so you can actually see what you're doing when you're prepping your meals. Tons of lighting. Definitely a plus on that one. I also love all the exterior storage they did on the kitchen and all the way around. Another nice feature is the way these doors open makes it very, very easy to load and unload the gear. Let's run inside real quick and check this beautiful machine out. It is equipped with the overhead bunk for additional sleeping as well. I love the interior color. Definitely makes it feel a lot more inviting. Large sofa on the right, which will also go down to a bed for additional sleeping. And look at that. It's equipped with seat belts as well for the safety of the passengers. Also on the dinette, you got seat belts as well on both sides. Again, it's equipped with sumo springs, cooling package, loft bed, solar panel upgrade, full body paint. Come check it out at Johnson RV. Large overhead TV over the dinette. Making our way back to the kitchen, you've got a crazy amount of prepping space. Double stainless steel sink, 3-burner cooktop, oven underneath, microwave above. What were they thinking making it so simple? Check out the size of these bunk beds back here. My kids are in no danger of getting over 5'10" probably, but I would say if you're 6 foot, you could possibly have leg room. Making your way to the master in the back, you've got the large queen walk around bed with a nice amount of storage inside all the way around. Deep wardrobe closets. Nice window underneath the TV. Drawer bank underneath. I like how they made it to where you can actually get out of the bed, walk right into the bathroom. Not everybody looks beautiful in the morning like you, so sometimes we gotta wash the face. And then I love the shower here in the corner because it gives you tons of elbow room and you can actually walk through back out to the living room. And you also have access to the bathroom here, so nobody has to go through your bedroom. Very large fridge freezer. And then they made a simple control panel right here where you can operate your lights, check all your tank levels, check your batteries, turn on the generators, turn on the water pumps. I don't know if they could have made it any easier. And I love the little W here for the Winnebago trademark. They're actually all over the place. Again, this is the Sunstar 31B. The B stands for bunks. I learned that recently. This has the 7.3 Godzilla V8, tons of power, tons of torque, and I hear they don't whine as much when you climb a hill. Check it out at johnsonrv.com or give one of the guys on the team a call with any questions. This is the 2024 Sunstar 31B at Johnson RV. Hope the video was helpful and have a great day.